Earth Science again. This is Norris Teaches Science with me, Mr. Norris. Another Earth Science video, and today I'm going to talk to you about the biosphere. I mentioned it a little bit in the first video talking about what Earth Science is. But we're going to talk this video and a couple other videos more in depth about the biosphere and everything like that. So by the end of the video, you should say I can explain how the biosphere is structured. Now, like always, I like to start off with the definition. What is the biosphere? Is the portions of the planet in which all life exists. This includes the land, the water, and the atmosphere, where everything exists. So, the levels of organization, we're going to start from the smallest organization and go big. We're going to start small and go big, micro to macro. You first have species. These are a group of organisms so similar to one another that they can breed and produce fertile offspring. Humans are a species. Dogs are a species. Cats are a species. Butterflies are a species. Those are species. Population is a group of individuals that belong to the same species and live in the same area. So you can think about all the humans that live around you. You guys are the population of that area. Then comes community. These are all the different populations that live together in a defined area. So this is all the humans, all the dogs, all the cats, all the bugs, all the plants, all the mushrooms, all of all the living things in one area. An ecosystem is a collection of all organisms that live in a particular place together with their non-living environments. So you take all the communities and factor in rain, temperature, the land, all that equals the ecosystem. And then the biome is a group of ecosystems that have the same climate and dominant communities. And so those become big. And I'm going to do a video on different biomes. Now, ecosystems, they depend on the biotic factors and abiotic factors of an area. Bio, if you don't know, that prefix means living, and the prefix a means not. So this ecosystems depend on the living and the non-living factors. And ecosystems come in many different sizes, and terrestrial ecosystems are also called biomes. Now, biotic versus abiotic, I kind of just mentioned them. Biotic has bio in it, so we're talking about the living influences, so birds, mushrooms, bacteria. Abiotic represents the non-living factors because you look at A and bio, non-living. So you're looking at the physical non-living things. So we're talking about like temperature, precipitation, soil type, and even sunlight. So what is a biome? It's a land area that have distinct climates and organisms. Now biomes are named based off the plant life because plant life determines what animals will live there, what animals eat the plants and what animals eat those that eat the plants. And organisms and biomes, plant life determines the organisms, kind of like what I said. Plant and animals have adapted to specific environments so that they can live there. You can think of an African savanna. I mean, you got the zebras, you got the cheetahs, you got the elephants, all this stuff, they all have to live there together. Biome plants and animals are threatened by humans, our interactions with them, pollution, poaching, different stuff. We do threaten them for their living aspect. This is a little bit about the biosphere. We're going to talk a little bit more in the next couple of videos about this. Hope you come back and watch a little bit more. Hope you learned something today. And this is Mr. Norris, and he is signing out for this video.